How would you like to enjoy a nice, relaxing afternoon or evening with family and friends, or just maybe with you and a significant other? This Duffy is well powered with 16 batteries for an extended cruise time, has lots of new features on it. She's neat, clean, and ready to enjoy our harbor here. Come with me for a quick walk around tour on this Duffy 21-foot electric boat. She's very well powered. She has extended cruise time with 16 batteries. Coming down along the port side, we see we've got that nice forward deck with a binnacle to allow air into the hull. Notice we also have dual trumpet horns there. We've got a new Surrey top on here, and the hard plexiglass here is in excellent condition. These windows can be opened in multiple configurations, front and back, side, different configurations to control the airflow. Nice thing about this boat is you can use her all year round, as she also has a cabin heater. That gives us a nice forward view and an aft deck there for our burgee. We can enter this vessel from either side. Notice how the upholstery seat folds back, so when we board, we're not stepping on the new upholstery. Looking forward, we see we've got a nice cocktail table set up. We could probably take 10 people out in comfort in here. Now the table is also removable should you just want an open space. We've got new cockpit carpet in here. As we move forward, we see we have a refrigerator, cabin heater below, dual speakers, and notched out in front we have a nice place for storage, glasses and bottles, plates, etc., etc. The top is held into place with this stainless steel frame, and you can see different connections to hang the windows up with. Looking back, we see here at our center console we have a table that'll give us even more serving areas, storage up under the steps. Up under here we have 16 new batteries. Moving back here at the helm, we see across the back we have a nice transom seat, bench seat. There's storage under there, great place for life jackets. We can sit 3 comfortably across there. The boat comes with a 30-foot shore power cord to keep it well charged. Here at the helm, we see we have our wooden steering wheel. Very easy to control and operate. We have a brand new controller, shift lever right here. We have our window defogger, 12-volt outlet, ignition. We've got our new Sony stereo. We have a hookup for either an Android or iPhone. Motor access is nice and easy. The center console just tilts forward. There we have the equivalent of a 5 or 6 horsepower motor. We have new belts on that. She's easy to access. There's minimal service. This 21-foot Duffy has a lot of new features: upholstery, carpet, full cover, new Surrey top, new upholstery, and she comes with 12 months of Duffy Care. This gives you an idea on what they check right there. What a great way to spend an evening with family and friends, or just somebody very important to you. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.